Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how I made this heart Valentine's Day wreath. It's really simple and inexpensive, and if you enjoy this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. You're going to need one heart wreath ring, and it's from Dollar Tree, and you're going to need two different colors of ribbon. The one with the heart is 1.5 inch width ribbon with wire, and then the one that I'm going to wrap the heart wreath is 2.5 inch width ribbon with wire. Both of those ribbons came from Sam's Club. First, you're going to take your wider ribbon, the 2.5, and you're going to hot glue it on to your heart-shaped wreath ring. You might want to put on your hot glue finger guards for this part. Just be very careful. So wrap it around, glue it, let it dry, and then you're going to wrap your heart-shaped wreath ring from Dollar Tree. When you are wrapping your heart wreath form, try not to get it too tight, but make sure you're getting it tight so that it doesn't sag or anything, and try not to overlap the ribbon very much. So just try to line it up and wrap it and make it as nice and neat as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't want to pull the ribbon too tight because you're going to be taking the 1.5 inch width ribbon and threading it underneath this 2.5 inch ribbon in just a little bit. So you want it tight so that it doesn't sag, but you don't want it too tight that you can't thread the ribbon, the 1.5 inch ribbon, under it. For the next part, I am taking a wooden dowel from Dollar Tree, and I am going to take some tape and tape my ribbon onto it, but you can use a straw or a pencil or whatever you have, just so you can tape the ribbon to it and thread it underneath the solid red ribbon loops. Last night when I was trying to go to sleep, I had this idea pop up in my head to try this. So this is the first time I've done it, so it's not perfect, so just bear with me. But I'm just taking the wooden dowel, threading it underneath the 2.5 inch width red ribbon, threading it through, then I'm going to pull my 1.5 inch width ribbon through. Now I had planned to do it like spacing it every other one and so on, but the way I wrapped it, it didn't work out just perfect. So just try to space it out as, equal as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect. It will still turn out cute and fun. Also, if you have like a wooden skewer, that might work better because it's not as thick as this wooden dowel was. So that might be an option too for threading the narrow ribbon through. Just take your time and be patient and try to get it as even as possible, and try not to get the 1.5 inch ribbon twisted when you're threading it through. And here's how it looks when you get the 1.5 inch ribbon added. And I'm going to put the bow on the top right side. And now I'm tying a bow with the 1.5 inch width ribbon from Sam's Club. So you're just going to let out a tail, make a loop, keep it pinched tightly in your left hand, go the other side, make another loop the same size as your first loop, Then you're just going to go back and forth, keeping it pinched tightly in your hand, trying to make the loops the same size on each side until you get the bow the size you want. I'm doing three loops on the left and 3 loops on the right for this bow. And then you're going to want to have a zip tie and some floral wire close by. I didn't let out very long tails for this bow because it's not a huge wreath. Now I'm taking a zip tie, wrapping it nice and tight around the center of the bow. Just get your zip tie nice and tight, and then in a little bit we'll thread a piece of floral wire underneath the zip tie to attach it to our wreath. So next we're going to dovetail the ends. So take your tail, fold it in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. So just fold it in half, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and now you have a pretty V. It just kind of dresses up your bow. Now it's time to fluff and shape your bow. Sometimes this takes just a little bit of time and patience, but I like sticking my hand in each loop just to open it up. And I'm going to have one tail going to the top and one to the bottom on this wreath. Next we're going to take our wire, and I like 20 gauge floral wire, and you can buy it at Walmart, Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, places like that. So I'm going to take my wire, now that I have it threaded through the zip tie, wrap it around my heart wreath form. Then I'm going to go to the back of the wreath, give the wires a few twists, cut them off short, and fold them down. And I did put a strip of ribbon over the wires so that way they wouldn't scratch my door or anything. And then you'll have to fluff and shape your bow again, and this is the way it looks, and I think it's really cute and fun just like that. But I wanted to add some glitter heart table scatter that I picked up at Dollar Tree. There's 24 pieces in a pack, and it comes in red or pink. So I decided to go with the pink, and I'm just taking a little Gorilla Glue, hot glue, and hot gluing some of the hearts on. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. To hang this wreath up on my door, I just took some twine, made a loop, then hot glued it to the back top of the heart in the center, then added a strip of scrap ribbon over the twine, the little knot. That way it wouldn't scratch my door either. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this inexpensive, fun Valentine's Day wreath. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And thank you guys that always leave the sweetest comments on my videos. I really appreciate y'all.